DS Diving here, October 15th at Soulmate 3 at JCP 3. But I have a clean video. They're cleaned up and looking pretty good. Only thing I do want to note is our surface line. We're starting to get some of these little algae spots that do not want to scrub off. They're really in the paint real well. So not so bad right now, but as the paint continues to wear a little bit more, it will get really bad to where it does not want to come off or look very good at all. Same thing with a little bit of the black stain. I can get most of it off. Besides that, she's looking good. DS Diving.